All right, guys, welcome to Math Chat number 42. Again, going to go over with you guys the different concepts and then going to have you work independently. So starting off with algebraic thinking. Again, we've already done a lot of these relationship problems where you had to identify the relationship that's taking place between the x and the y rows. So what's going on with the x's and the y's? Type the relationship below. Base 10 numbers, I am going to do a sample on this one for you because I've noticed we've had some issues. When we are dividing by a base 10 with an exponent, when we're dividing, we are moving the decimal to the left. And we're moving it the same number of times the bossy little number is telling us. So I'm going to start off with this one right here. 5 divided by 10 to the second power, or 10 squared. So it's 5 divided by 10 to the second power. Now, when we're solving this, we know we're going to be moving the decimal to the left because we're dividing. And when you divide, you move the decimal to the left. But in this number, we don't have a decimal. So if you don't have a decimal, we can put one in without changing the value. So 5 is actually just the same as 5.0. I did not change the value, I just put a decimal in. Now, I know I'm going to be moving my decimal to the left. I'm moving it to the left 2 times because that exponent, or that bossy little number, is telling me to move it over 2 times. So I'm going to pick it up and drop it off once, twice, and leave it right there. And I'm going to fill in this missing loop-de-loop with a 0. So my new quotient is going to be 0.05. And I can put that last 0 there if I want. 0. I picked it up and moved it to the left 2 times, and I just added the decimal right next to the 5 when I first started off without changing the value. So my new answer is 5 hundredths. Let me put that here. There we go. And I can put that 0 there. It doesn't matter. Next, for fractions, you guys have a little story problem to work on. You're actually going to be doing some division of fractions. That's my hint for you there. Down here for measurement and data, you are going to be doing some conversion problems with tons and pounds. And my little side note to you guys right here is 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Okay, oops, I can type. There we go. 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. So you're going to do some breakup, change, get back together problems here with that. And then also remember that 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. Last but not least, for geometry, we have some more coordinate grid plotting. So you are given different coordinate points. Remember, the first digit is your x coordinate, and your second digit is your y. So you are going to be plotting them with our points right here and labeling them based on the name of the coordinate. Then you have to write down what you notice about those points. All right, that's it for this math chat. Again, as always, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.